Alright, I'll quickly show you how to replace the bottom frame on the machine. So for example, if this snapped, all you need to do, just loosen this bolt first, open up the handle, remove control box and disconnect it from the heat plate. After that, it's going to be a small screw that you need to remove here. You might have an Allen key depending on your model, but the process will be pretty much the same. So you just need to remove that screw and lift it up. Once that's up, there's going to be a few washers right here. Just keep an eye on them, and then you can just lift your machine up like so. So you can put that to the side. If you need, you can slide the bed as well a little bit. So what we'll be focusing is on removing those 4 screws right here. Before you do that, you can start undoing this rod right here. So just spin it anti-clockwise until it's fully out. Like so. Put it to the side. So the screws that hold this, they're not super tight. Should be easy to remove. If you don't have a spanner set, you can probably get away with adjustable spanner or maybe even pliers. Okay, so once you remove those 4 screws, you can grab your replacement, put it back, align the screws, and then just screw them back in. Once you finger tighten them, you can go ahead and properly secure them. Okay, so once this is secured, then you can put the rod back in. And it was kind of halfway through, so just carry on screwing in. Okay, so now you can put the top part back on the machine. So gently lift it up, line the hole, wiggle it back and forth a little bit. It will finally sit in. Make sure that you replace the washers back on. Okay, so at this point we need to put the handle back on. So there's gonna be a notch. Just make sure that you align the screw with the notch. Once that's secure, that's all finished. And then obviously you can put the control box back on and then screw in the heat plate connection like so.